Here is my audience for my speech. Hold that for me.
So hold it like this.
Yeah, just so I can see like my hips up. Okay.
I got you.
So I'm here to talk about the Hadron Collider. The Hadron Collider is a particle accelerator and it's located at CERN. CERN is located in or on the French and Switzerland border. The Hadron Collider has superconducting electromagnets. Much of the accelerator is connected to a distribution system of liquid helium, which cools the magnets. It's at a temperature that's close to what would be in outer space. Now, the Hadron Collider is a giant circle, and within the circle, there are 4 points of collision. And the different points have names, of course. One is Atlas. Another is called CMS. And then you have Alice. And then just regular LHCb. Now, with these 4 points, only at 2 times, they are shot at each other at what's basically the speed of light. And within this collision, it causes such a violent reaction that it creates new particles. The Hadron Collider is one of the most complex machines ever created. The Large Hadron Collider is the world's largest particle accelerator. It's buried 328 feet, that's 100 meters below the border. In this giant circle, it's 17 miles, which is like 27 kilometers in circumference. You might be wondering what the Large Hadron Collider does and why it's such a big deal. These are excellent questions. The Large Hadron Collider collides 2 beams, which I already explained, at the speed of light, and it's at the highest energies ever achieved in a lab. 6 experiments located around the 17-mile ring study the results of these collisions with the massive detectors built in the underground caverns. That's the what, but why? The goal is to understand the nature of the most basic building blocks of the universe and how they interact with each other. A lot of the experiments try to basically understand where life came from and how it began. It's fundamental science at its most basic, and the Large Hadron Collider has not disappointed. Now, one of the discoveries made with the Large Hadron Collider includes the long sought after Higgs boson. That was predicted in 1964 by scientists working to combine theories of 2 fundamental forces of nature. Now, with the Higgs boson, it's an elementary particle in the standard model of particle physics, produced by the quantum excitation of the Higgs field. And it was named after the physicist that discovered it, Peter Higgs. The Higgs boson is often referred to as the God particle. Most physicists alike hate the term. The Higgs boson has helped other particles pass through space-time. The Higgs boson is basically one of the most important discoveries in all of physics. And with a lot of the discoveries and experimentations that happen at CERN, the information has helped to develop the technology for cloud computing and distribution information, which is basically what everyone uses with their phones today. And that is what I can tell you about the Hadron Collider. Thank you. 425.